Hey, we're Mortgage Nerd here. So I have some stats, charts, talking about different things going on in interest rates, just some perspective. I've actually made videos about some of these before, but it's new charts. Let's look at this first one. So for the last 50 years, the 30-year mortgage rate has moved in unison with the 10-year treasury. I just made a rate video showing you the rates going down, 10-year treasury going down. But what's the spread? So if the 10-year treasury right now is 3.4, why are interest rates still in the sixes? That's 3% higher than the 10-year treasury. But if you look here, it says the average spread is 1.7. Right here, look at that average all the time. Sometimes it's a bigger gap and sometimes it's a smaller gap. So look at this at the end, while it's around 3, I mean, it's hard to tell in this chart. Hold that thought. So why aren't rates at 5.5? If we're at 3.5 on the 10-year and the average is 1.79, our rates should be in the low 5s. We're starting to see that spread come down. What it is and why this says panic is starting to subside is that the lenders have been building in more profit for them, basically, because they know that all these loans that are being written right now are going to be refinanced in the next 6 to 18 months. And when that happens, they're going to lose money because when they buy a loan, I originate a loan and then I sell it. When the secondary market, Fannie, Freddie, Ginnie Mae, all that stuff, they buy these loans, they pay us money. So for them to be profitable, they have to hold on to that loan for a few years. They know they're not holding on to these loans for a few years, so they're building in the profit now from the beginning. And that's why rates have been higher than they really should be. But now that they've peaked and they're coming down, the panic is starting to subside. So according to this, it's about 2.6 higher than the average. And this might be for the end of December. Can't tell. Rates have dropped more in January. So we're going to see this gap close more as time goes on. So you can see here there's still a 1% difference, everything I was just explaining. And we'll close out this video with a quote from the chief economist from the National Association of Realtors. I've been talking about this for a while. When the rates drop, the floodgates are going to open. People ripped me. All the trolls in my videos, they said this guy's an idiot. He doesn't know what he's talking about. Why is he wearing these ugly glasses? Watch what happens this summer. The floodgates are going to open with buyers and there's not going to be enough inventory, not enough sellers. We're going to be back in a similar situation to what we saw in 2021. Mortgage Nerd out.